To start, I'll place my pot on fire, then add my assorted, add dry fish and stockfish, add my freshly chopped onions, everyone, so I'm using the onions to boil this, seasoning to taste, some dry chili pepper to taste, some salt to taste. Then, because the assorted is parboiled already, I will add some water. I'll go ahead and add some water and allow it to cook for 15 to 20 minutes on a medium flame. So after washing, this is how I cut my uziza leaf for ogbono soup, everyone. Do this if you have this energy, but if you don't, take your knife and slice it into your desirable shapes. But I love to use my hands to cut it so I can see it in the ogbono soup, everyone. Alright, so after cutting it, this is what it looks like. I will set this aside and keep cooking. So everyone, let's keep cooking. So after 20 minutes, you see that the assorted, the stuffed fish, everything is almost ready. So I'm going to add just 1 full cup of water and continue cooking. I'm not making much ogbono soup, it's just one time eating for the family, so add yours depending on the quantity of the ogbono soup you want to make. So after adding it up, I have to cover, allow to cook. I will add crayfish now, 4 tablespoons of blended crayfish or prawns, then cover to cook for 15 minutes on a high flame. While that is aside, on a clean pot, after it gets dry, I'll add my palm oil and bring it to a boil. Please, we're not cooking the palm oil or blanching it. Once it gets hot, the next thing I do is to start adding my blended ogbono bit by bit. Why I use this method to cook my ogbono soup is because I do not want ogbono lumps on my soup. I want that smooth soup. So do this, it is very, very nice. It gives your ogbono soup a nice flavor and you eat it smoothly, no lumps. So I'm going to be stirring this for at least 5 minutes on a very low flame until it melts, until all the lumps from the ogbono melts away. Okay, make sure your flame is on the low side so it does not boil or begin to overcook. So keep watching. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome, and if you're returning, thanks for returning. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my video to your friends and family. Please, if you've watched my video up to this point and it is your first time, please don't forget to hit the subscription bell. So while that is aside, let's keep cooking. Now the meat stock, everything is almost ready. So at this point, I will be adding the already stirred ogbono soup into this pot bit by bit, and as I add, I will carefully stir it or tenderly stir it to combine. Stir until it blends properly with the stock. Exactly what you see me doing on the screen. So I'm adding it bit by bit, everyone. Hello, don't forget to subscribe and don't go away, watch to the end. So ogbono soup must bubble like this. If it does not bubble like this, then it is not ogbono soup, everyone. Wow. Allowing it to cook for 5 minutes. The next thing is to add my already prepared uziza leaf and stir to combine, everyone. Hello, all my genuine subscribers, thank you so much for your wonderful support. Always see, it's super yummy. At this point, I'm thinking of the swallow to go with fufu, even amala, samovita, pounded yam. The choice is yours, because here I'm gonna be eating it with any swallow of my choice too. So our ogbono soup is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Stay safe, stay connected. Bye for now. Yeah, bye.